Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 36, часть 2, страница 89. English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 36, part number 2, page number 89. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 89, 89. Exercise number 4. Read and say yes or no. Прочитай и скажи да или нет. In the future, we'll go on a holiday to the moon. We'll get all our energy from the sun. We won't need electricity. Beth Williams, 9. In the future, we'll wear shoes that can fly. We'll travel by air everywhere. Mark James, 7. In the future, we'll wear t-shirts with computers on them. Phones will be a small chip on our finger. Simon Morris, 10. In the future, we'll number 1. Go on holiday to the moon. В будущем мы будем. Number 1. The answer. Ездить на Луну на каникулах. The answer. Yes. Number 2. In the future, we'll get all our energy from the moon. В будущем мы будем получать энергию от Луны. Number 2. The answer. No. In the future, we'll wear hats that can fly. В будущем мы будем носить шапки, которые смогут летать. Number 3. The answer. No. In the future, we'll wear t-shirts with computers on them. В будущем мы будем носить майки с компьютерами на них. Number 4. The answer. Yes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Write about life in the future. Stick or draw pictures. Напиши про жизнь в будущем. Прикрепи или нарисуй картинки. The answer. In the future, we'll wear hats with a chip inside. This chip will help us to disappear when we wish it. In the future, people will eat pills instead of fresh food. In the future, we will travel only by trains because of air pollution. Fun time. Tongue twister. Read the following sentences as fast as you can. Время веселья. Скороговорка. Прочитай следующее предложение так быстро, как сможешь. If two witches watch two watchers, which wheel, watch which watch. Repeat once more, please. If two witches watch two watches, which wheel, watch which watch. Did you know? Ты знал? Fairy bluebirds are small birds that live in Asia. Волшебные певчие птицы – это маленькие птицы, которые живут в Азии. Pink fairy armadillos are very small, about from 90 to 115 millimeters. They live in Argentina. Розовые волшебные броненосцы очень маленькие, от 90 до 115 миллиметров. Они живут в Аргентине. Fairy penguins, also called little penguins, live in Australia and New Zealand. Волшебные пингвины, также их называют маленькими пингвинами, живут в Австралии и Новой Зеландии. Fairy wrens are small birds that live in Australia. Расписной малюр – маленькие птицы, которые живут в Австралии. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.